So right here, down this road is where we were earlier. Yeah. And the flooding has come all the way up over, and then is coming towards our local airport. All of this is underwater. That's lowlands. So pretty soon the airport will be an island if the flooding persists, which I'm pretty sure it will, because there is a shit ton of ice. It's just starting to come up over here. There is a moose that's trying to escape the floods. But if it goes the way that it is currently going, which is over that way, he will still be in water, and he will probably be in like 4 to 5 feet of water. He came from over here. All this is now reaching over. Earlier I said it would be like 30 minutes, but it's only been 10. Some of our airport access road has already been overflowing with water.